This channel can generate somewhere between $287 and $4,600 in only 30 days, with those videos only generated by AI. Everyone knows that AI apps can be expensive, but I'm going to show you that it is possible to create an entire faceless YouTube channel only using free AI apps. I'll show you how to easily automate the entire process from the idea to the final video using AI all along the way. Trust me, you wouldn't want to miss a bit of it. When it comes to getting an idea for your channel, keep in mind that you don't have to be an expert in the subject. All you need to do is come on over to ChatGPT. Let's do so. First of all, if you don't have any idea, ask ChatGPT this prompt. Write 15 clicky YouTube channel niches, and it'll immediately generate a list of niches that you can get into to start your channel. Now, once you have the channel idea, you actually have to create the YouTube channel. To illustrate this video, let's create, for example, a philosophy channel. In order to create your channel, you'll need a name, a banner, a logo, and an About section. Now, head back over to ChatGPT and ask this prompt. Write me 10 channel names for a YouTube channel that explains philosophy. And then it goes giving you some 10 names examples. Looking at these names, let's take this one, Philosophy Explained, and let's create the channel. Go ahead to YouTube and write down the name here to create your channel. Click on Customize Channel. Now click on Basic Info, and then add in the name you've chosen from ChatGPT here, and then add it in also here as your channel's name. Next step is to write the channel description. Head back to ChatGPT and write the prompts. Generate a YouTube channel description for a channel called Philosophy Explained that explains philosophy in tale format. Copy, paste it in the description section, and now click on Branding. Now let's attend to the profile photo and the banner. In order to create that, go to Canva and search for YouTube banner in the search bar. You can also find the link to Canva in the description of this video. As you can see, Canva offers thousands of ideas that can be used from. Click where it says Create a blank YouTube banner, and go over to Elements and see if there's something related to your niche, and then choose for a suitable photo here in the Photos section. Then when chosen, drag and drop it. Add the name of the channel in a text zone, choose a font, and put it some effect. In order to download this banner, click on Share and then click Download. Select as a PNG. Now hit where it says Download. Go head back over to Canva once again, but this time, select from the search bar YouTube channel logo. Go in with a blank logo and now go over to the apps icon over here and select Text to Image. Then, ask the converter generators a description of the image you want, then add a style if wanted. Now click on Create Your Image and wait for what Canva's AI comes up with. There will be 4 pretty cool options. Now choose your favorite and drag it into the white space. Go ahead and download the image. To do so, click on Share and then select PNG and finally Download. Now go back over to your YouTube channel, click where it says Upload, and locate the logo that you've just created on Canva. Do the same thing for your banner. When you've added them both in, hit Publish, and once it's done, click View Channel, and check what the channel looks like. Now you need to generate your first video. First of all, you need to get the idea. To do so, ask ChatGPT this prompts. Give me 5 philosophy lessons and their author. Now ChatGPT has given me 5 options. The second option seems pretty cool. Let's go with that one, the allegory of the cave. You now need a script for your video. Keep calm, you don't need to know lots about philosophy or famous philosophers, because AI is going to provide all you need. Go head back to ChatGPT and ask this prompts. Write a 300-word script for a short story explaining the allegory of the cave. Only narrator. Then ChatGPT will start to generate a story which will be used as the script for your video. Now you have the idea for the video and you have the script for the video. The next step is to generate the voiceover for this script. Here is how to do this. Come over to Google and then do a search for 11 Labs. Once you've done that, click the link and it'll take you to the homepage where it allows you to give it a try and test it out. Now, in order to create the actual voiceover, you need to head over to Speech Synthesis and select the voice. Let's take Josh. Then copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it in here. Once you've done that, all you need to do is to click to generate and wait. Once 11 Labs is done with your audio, you can go ahead and listen to it at the bottom.
Once
here.
upon a time, in a distant land, there existed a mysterious cave. This cave was not an ordinary one. It held secrets that challenged the very essence of human perception and understanding.
If you like the result, do hit download in a way to download your audio. Next step. Now it's time to create the actual video. This is the moment when things are getting pretty interesting. In order to create the video, you need to head back over to Canva again. Search for YouTube video and it'll show you all these different templates. Click Create Blank YouTube Video. You'll now need a background for your video, so go to Elements, click Photos, then choose an appropriate photo for your background. Drag and drop your image and then align it, click Edit Image, and then adjust. I'm going to increase a bit the brightness, and then the shadow, and finally the saturation. Once you've done that, you have the background of your video ready, and need now to generate the character who's going to present your video. The better choice to explain the quote would be the person who said it themselves. With a quick search into Google, find a picture of the author to see what he looks like and start generating him. So in order to generate that character, let's find PixArt on Google. Go ahead to AI Tools, select AI Image Generator. I'm going to type in my request Play-Doh. And then I'm just going to add the philosopher after it so that PixArt AI knows what I'm talking about. You could do that with Canva, but I prefer PixArt because there are more style options here. Let's try putting it in the style of magical, then click Generate. Perfect. If not satisfied, you can click Show More Results. Here again, you can generate more results than on Canva, where you're limited to 100 per 24 hours. Okay, let's take this one. Double-click it, align, and when it's done, hit Export. Choose PNG, then Download, and that's it. Now go head back to Canva and import your image. As you can see, the backgrounds are different, so what you need to do is remove the background from the character image. In order to do this, go back to where it says Uploads. Click on the image, and then click where it says Download. Now, in order to remove the background, you need to click on the image, then Edit Photo. Find BG Remover in the Tools catalog. Here it's the first one. Good job. Now, as I'd like him to look at the other side, I'm going to click Flip, and then flip horizontal. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit in a way to place it correctly on the screen. Let's add his name into this. Add a text box, write the name Play-Doh in the uppercase, highlight all of it and change the font. Then put a hyphen in front of it and adjust it a bit so it's not too big and bold. Go ahead and download it as a PNG. Now that you have this done, stay with me because it's now that it's going to get really cool. We're going to make him talk. Let's do so. Okay, now come over to did.com. Click on Try It Now or log in if you already have an account. Once on the homepage, click on Create Video, and then from here, click where it says Add, and select the image that you've saved from Canva. Now that you have the image, you need to insert the audio. As you can see over here, you can just insert the script of your video, but notice that the number of characters you can input is limited. So in order to just get away with that, you can click on Audio and select the audio that you've generated using 11 Labs. Now that you have the image and the audio, click on Generate Video. The video gets downloaded. Click on the video and your character should be talking now. He should actually say the speech that you've created in 11 Labs.
Once upon a time, in a distant
he's
land,
talking.
there existed a mysterious cave.
Check the video, and if you appreciate the result, click where it says Download and save the video. I know it's pretty awesome, but you have to be patient to see the rest. In fact, you have to wait till the end because it isn't finished yet and it's going to blow your mind. The next step we want to do is actually display the script text in subtitle format. We're actually going to have it AI generated for us, okay? In order to do this, head over to Veed.io. Once on this page, click on Create Projects and it's going to open this up. Click Upload a file and select the file that we just downloaded from DID. It's taking you into this workspace where you click on Subtitles, then Auto Subtitles, and select the language. Click Create Subtitles. And now once it has generated the subtitles, click on this first one, and then put the playhead on top of it. You'll probably have to adjust it to a better position, so it fits on the screen. Then, click on Styles, select a preset style and the text font. You can also add some effects, and then over here under the text section, click AB, so that all your letters are in the uppercase. You can go back now to the beginning and then hit play to just see what it looks like.
Once upon a time, in a distant land, there existed a mysterious cave. This cave was not an ordinary one.
Now go ahead and actually download your video. Go ahead and select where it says Done and click Export Video. Now click where it says Download and download this as MP4, so now you have your final video. It's now all ready to upload the video. Now it's time to upload the video on the YouTube channel. Head back over to your YouTube channel, hit create, and then click upload video. And this is where you can take the video we've just downloaded from Vid.io and upload it to YouTube. Once you've uploaded it, YouTube is processing the video. In the meantime, add in the next important information, which are the title, the description, the thumbnail, and the tags. To do so, head back over to ChatGPT and then ask it for some prompts. Write a 60 characters title for click-worthy YouTube video about the allegory of the cave. Bring it curiosity and mystery, include the name Plato. It'll give you a pretty good title. Go head to your channel, click Manage Video, and paste it in the title section. Make sure, however, that your title adheres to the quality rules of a title that will generate a high click-through rate, also called CTR. Let me teach you 4 points that will help optimize your title. 1. Place the main keywords at the beginning. 2. Capitalize important words. 3. Incorporate words that evoke mystery and curiosity, such as secret, hidden, untold, the truth about, etc. 4. Include the end of the title between parentheses. The next important aspect is the description, which you can get from ChatGPT again. Go ahead to ChatGPT and ask it this prompt. Write a short description for a YouTube video called Unveiling Plato's Enigmatic Allegory, Secrets of the Cave Exposed. It gives you a short description to be copied over to the YouTube account. Just paste in the description and now we're almost done. Now that you have the title and the description, you need some tags for the video. So go ahead and ask ChatGPT this prompt. Give me 30 text keywords to get views on a YouTube video with the title Allegory of the Cave separated by a comma. Copy all of them and paste them into the tag section. The last thing we need to do is create the thumbnail for the video. And in order to create thumbnails, the best is to use Canva again. Search for YouTube thumbnail and click on Create New. Upload Plato again and remove the background. Here I need to flip the image and stretch it a little bit. Now, I'm going to add the text and customize it. Then color the background. Let's put some yellow, and why not adding a halo, for example. Then I add the title. Adjust and customize it a little bit. Put some color here on the second part. When ready, hit share and then download. Now once that's done, upload your thumbnail on YouTube and then you have your video ready to go. Hit publish, and look at this channel, it looks so good. Now let's see what the video looks like. Let me just admit that it is pretty amazing.
Once upon a time,
so that's
in a
essentially what
distant
the
land,
video looks like.
there existed a
Notice that
mysterious
watermarks
cave.
appear when using the
This
free
cave
version,
was not an
but if
ordinary
you can
one.
afford the paid
It held
versions to
secrets
create your
that
channel,
challenged the
you
very
can go
essence
ahead and
of
do
human
that.
perception and understanding. Deep inside the cave, there were prisoners.
You have to admit that it's pretty easy to create an entire faceless YouTube channel using only free AI. Now you've been taught to do so, you can go ahead and do again this exact same procedure with thousands of niches or subjects. The more you post content that people are interested in, the more you can get your channel monetized and end up making from about $500 to $10,000, just like many other people are doing. If you enjoyed this video, be sure you leave a like, and if you want to learn more on how to make money online, subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos. See you soon.